According to sources from Russia, the fabrication of a new set of Su-57 fighter jets has been successfully finalized. Should these aircraft be delivered to the Russian Aerospace Forces, or VKS, RuAF, by the close of 2023, Russia can proudly claim to have its first fully formed squadron armed with Su-57s. Remarks about the Su-57 emerged from the shadows just a few days ago when an unidentified informant revealed to overclockers that the new stealth fighter's capabilities have expanded to include mini-drones designed as special assets for the Su-57. Aviation experts in Britain suggest that under the directive of the Su-57, the RuAF carried out its primary large-scale operation against air defense positions in the summer of 2022. Some aviation pundits posit that the Su-57, with 6 highly sensitive radars dispersed throughout its fuselage, has stepped into the shoes of the A-50 AWACS aircraft, which was retracted for expedited upgrades. Considering that the Su-57's primary work as a tactical-level command cell, both for manned machines like Su-30OSM-2, Su-35C, and the future Su-75, as well as a plethora of drones for various tasks, is confirmed, Russian analysts deem it highly vital. This applies not only to his faithful companion and armor, S-70 Hunter. The S-70 Hunter is a powerful strike drone. Its mass production was expected in 2023. Novosibirsk plants have taken up the challenge, but are still lagging behind. According to information from RIA reported at the end of November, citing representatives from Rostec, 3 types of proprietary drying UAVs have been developed. If the operational state permits, they can carry both in internal compartments and on external suspensions. To accompany this development, a special model of the machine was fabricated. The primary combat load comprises attack drones, EMP, electronic warfare drones, and long-range reconnaissance units. For instance, in India, where there's an increased interest in the progress and success of the Russian PAK-FA program, the report on its proprietary drone fleet has triggered immense excitement. This includes renewed negotiations about new purchases of these vehicles in India's preferred 2-seater versions. Just a few weeks ago, this version was patented, as they say, entirely for our long-standing military technical associate. Colonel Ashish Dangal, an Indian aviation expert and Republic of India Air Force veteran pilot previously in command of MiG-21 and MiG-29 jets, highlighted the Su-57's new strategy. This strategy involves the simultaneous launching of several drones and controlled execution of collective airstrike actions. The drones overwhelm the enemy's information channels and perform high-precision operations, alternating strikes by UAVs and tactical air-to-air, surface missiles from manned aircraft. Dangal called the new Su-57 a comprehensive prototype. The Su-57 is the future in future tactical warfare, he said. He suggested that New Delhi closely monitor the progress of the Su-57 program. The Su-57 is in serial production, while India's AMSA is not, Dangal said. Stealth. AMSA is still in the concept phase of rosy dreams without tangible results. The new Su-57 prototype is stunning. Woodjinder K. Thacker said this. He is an expert and Indian test pilot, the Air Force colonel. Thacker highlighted the lethal increase in the Su-57's capabilities. These are the result of the addition of a second cabin and its patented swarm of multi-role UAVs. Thacker compared the concept of the new version of the Su-57 to the Ryder B-21 bomber. All this evidence points towards the fact that after nearly 18 months of utilization in battles, the aircraft has not only overcome most of its challenges but reinvigorated interest from potential buyers. Earlier, in a televised interview on Zvezda TV channel back in the latter portion of 2018, Mikhail Strelets, who serves as both the chief designer and director for the eminent Sukhoi Design Bureau, confidently declared the Su-57's superiority over its competitors, the F-35 and the Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor. Strelets boldly claimed the Su-57 is unrivaled within the realm of fifth-generation aircraft. He even cheekily used a cryptic numerical comparison, stating, "It wasn't intentional, but it's interesting to note that if you add 22 and 35, you surprisingly get 57.